Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are taking good care of yourselves. In our previous classes, we have learnt about the topic sentences, and today we will solve few exercises on it. So, our first exercise is add one word to each group of words to make question. Here, a group of words will be given to us and we need to add a word followed by a question mark to make a sentence in the question form. Okay? So, the first group of word given to us is what Puneet doing? Here we need to add a word from our side. So, what can we add? We can add a helping word is. What is Puneet doing? Followed by question mark. Because to make a sentence in a question form, we should always use question mark at the end of it. And also, we need to be very careful that in the beginning or the first letter of the sentence should always be in capital letter. So here the word what, the word letter W here starts with a capital letter. Okay. Moving on to the second group of words. How Rama fall. So what can we add here? How did Rama fall? Okay. Moving on to the third sentence. You like skating. Here, which word can we add to make it in a question form? Do you like skating? क्या आपको स्केटिंग करना पसंद है? Next. So our fourth group of words is you play in the evening. So here we can write it as do you play in the evening or will you play in the evening? Both answers are correct. Do you play in the evening or will you play in the evening? Okay. Moving to our next exercise. Write the questions for these answers. Here, a sentence is given to us. They live in Tokyo. So this is the answer, and now we have to frame it in a question form. Okay? So they live in Tokyo. Here we are talking about place. Where do they live? They live in Tokyo. So how can we frame it in question form? Where do they live? Okay. So the answer to this question becomes they live in Tokyo. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October. In this sentence, we are talking about the time or the date when Mahatma Gandhi was born. So how can we make it in a question form? By using when. When was Mahatma Gandhi born? The currency of the US is dollar. So what are we talking about here? We are talking about the currency which is used in US. Okay? So, to frame it in a question form, we can write it as what is the currency of the US? Followed by a question mark. Okay? Moving on to the next exercise. Use the full phrases to form imperative sentences. We have learnt what an imperative sentence is. Whenever we give any command or an order or make a request, that sentence is called as an imperative sentence. Now the question is saying use the full phrases. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words, but they do not give us a complete meaning. But here, when we will use it with the question given, it will give us a complete meaning and also form an imperative sentence. The first question is, please do. We need to add a phrase here that will make this sentence as an imperative one, because the word please is making a request here. Number 2, walk very. So it is telling us, giving us a command or an order. Number 3, leave home. So again, this can be a command also or an order. Let's see how we can write this. Number 1, please do not walk on the grass or do not throw garbage on the road. You can write any group of words. Okay? Both these are correct, but you can write it on your own also. Walk very carefully on the slippery road. Number 3, leave home at once as early as possible. So this is giving us a command or an order. Okay? So basis these exercises today, I'll give you an homework that you will do in your grammar book. If you do not have your grammar book, then you will do it in your rough notebook. Okay? Thank you.